The Republic of Bashkortostan is a region boasting a developed economy and rich industrial potential. The Ufa plant of elastomeric materials, articles and structures open joint stock company, УЗЭМИК, is one of the best enterprises in the rubber and technical products industry, not only in this republic, but also in the whole of the nation. The Ufa Rubber and Technical Articles plant was founded in 1942 on the basis of Yaroslavl Rezinotechnika and Leningrad Krasny Treugolnik plants evacuated to Ufa from the frontline area. In the very difficult conditions, the plant's workers began to produce the items that were so vital both for the country and the front. Over the recent decade, the plant has turned into a modern, multi-profile enterprise. In the challenging period of economic reforms, УЗЭМИК became a leader in the specific market of rubber and technical articles. The УЗЭМИК of today is a winner of the 1000 Best Enterprises of Russia nationwide contest. Based on the results of the Russia's Top 100 Goods program, the plant was awarded with the Leader of Quality prize. The enterprise received Russia's highest public award in the sphere of strengthening national and economic security, called the Shield of Fatherland. The company's current line of products comprises more than 2,000 items. This has become possible due to the certified quality management system introduced at the factory. Relying on the rigorous quality control, the plant develops and produces highly competitive goods, both for the national economy and for the country's defense. The plant's central laboratory is carrying out a complex of research activities. Here, they develop new manufacturing processes that are then launched on an industrial scale. The highly qualified laboratory professionals operate the most sophisticated analytical and testing equipment. The company's range of products covers practically every sphere of human activities. The plant's articles are used in the defense industry, in shipbuilding, aviation, coal mining, by construction and erection contractors, as well as by municipal companies. In food industry, agribusiness, oil production and oil refining, machine building, medical industry, printing, and other branches of industry. УЗЭМИК Open Joint Stock Company is one of the world's biggest manufacturers of life-saving appliances. Ufa-made inflatable life rafts are used to equip Russian marine and river vessels of different classes and purposes, as well as commercial airliners and military aircraft. The PCN-MK type life rafts meet the requirements of the International Life-Saving Appliance Code and are approved by the Russian Maritime Register of Shipping. Marine life rafts and insulated immersion suits have passed through the certification tests to conform to the international and European requirements. River and yacht-type life rafts are used on the vessels of coasting and mixed river-sea navigation as collective rescue means for saving passengers and crew members. To help people survive in freezing cold waters, the specialists of the company have created insulated immersion suits for vessel crews enduring a disaster in polar latitudes. This suit allows surviving in ice-cold water for at least 6 hours. The body, unprotected from such conditions, can bear not more than 5 minutes. For maintaining human life at sea and river, the company manufactures marine, river, and aircraft life jackets, as well as life rafts for one person intended for aircraft crew members. Inflatable canopies and seats ensure a reliable thermal protection against water and wind. For saving lives of passengers and crew members of ditching aircraft, the plant produces life rafts for aircraft. 2-layer inflatable buoyancy chambers, inflatable stanchions, and floor assure comfort and survival on rough sea. The range of life-saving means comprises emergency escape chutes for urgent evacuation of passengers and crew members from aircraft cabins. Escape chutes are rapidly deployed in the operation position. Emergency pneumatic lifting bags for failed aircraft are widely used in aviation. In connection with the creation of emergency aid in Russia, the plant developed a number of rapidly deployed pneumatic frame structures. Specialized and standardized pneumatic frame structures allow deploying self-reliant hospitals and camps close to the accident or natural calamity locations. The modules can be used in any climatic environment. If necessary, they are provided with heating, ventilation, and lighting systems. Their pneumatic systems efficiently erect the modules to the operating position. Ufa-made pneumatic frame structures were successfully used for deploying mobile hospitals in Mozdok and Sakhalin, as well as in Colombia, Turkey, Afghanistan, Iran, Yugoslavia, and Indonesia. They proved to be reliable, efficient, and indispensable when dealing with consequences of emergency situations resulting from technogenic and natural disasters, or those resulting from military conflicts. Boom floating barriers are used for localizing oil spills. Today, mobile, rapidly deployed inflatable booms made of the latest materials are the best means for containing oil and liquidating the aftermath of leaking underwater pipelines. To repair petroleum and gas pipelines, the plant developed a wide range of inflatable locking fittings. Such locking balloons are recent additions to the company's produce. Another important line of products comprises mobile, flexible air ducts for supplying air to mines that are explosion-prone due to methane and coal dust accumulation. The application of new slow-burning materials places these products among the best in the world. Inflatable boats are among УЗЭМИК's best-known products. The company fabricates more than 30 varieties of rowing and motorboats of different modifications and equipment. The boats are in great demand with fishermen, hunters, and active water tourists. УЗЭМИК is the leader in the Russian marketplace as far as boat sales are concerned. Ufimka, Omega, Lira, Aigul, Corsar, and Veterok boats have enjoyed great popularity for many years. The plant's specialists work continuously to upgrade the existing boats and to develop new models. The Colibri boat is distinguished by its light structure and small overall dimensions. This facilitates moving the boat around. The small overall dimensions of the Okotnik boat adds to hunters' comfort and ease. The narrow bow and the arrow-like shape makes moving in cane much easier. The Tourist 2 two-seater rowing boat is one of the most comfortable ones. The extended width adds to more stability. The plant's consistent effort to improve upgraded the technical specs of the Corsar, Lemeza, Nayada Tolpar boats to make them conform to the requirements of international standards. The Ufa plant manufactures inflatable motorboats of the Karaidel ML and MLK series with a capacity of 2 to 8 persons. These boats allow installing outboard engines ranging from 8 to 30 horsepower. Motor and rowing boats made of PVC fabrics are among the plant's recently developed items. The structure of such boats assures reliability, maneuverability, safety, and better passability of the boat through water obstacles. The design of such vessels is in no way inferior to that of imported and domestic analogues. Kainar and Strij 8-seater inflatable rescue motorboats are well known to the specialists of the Ministry of Defense and the Ministry of Emergency Situations. Reliable in action and handy for transportation, they are suitable for rescue and technical operations on water. For rest and recreation, the plant manufactures tourist tents, trimarans, balls, children's playgrounds, and inflated furniture. There is a great demand for swimming pools, protecting overalls, and jackets for aquatic sports. УЗЭМИК has recently launched a state-of-the-art line by Scholz, Germany, to fabricate cog belts. These belts are used for driving fans and generators of car and tractor engines. The equipment for manufacturing ribbed V-belts has been put into operation. These are new generation belts. Ribbed V-belts are used to drive industrial equipment, machinery, home appliances, gas distribution mechanisms, as well as car generators, fans, and air conditioners. The service life of such belts is practically equal to that of the unit wherein they are installed. Lifespan tests are performed in rigorous conditions under real loads in designed power transmission modes. УЗЭМИК is a leading producer of transmission V-belts in the Russian market. V-belts are widely used in drives of industrial and agricultural machinery, in freight and passenger vehicles. The plant produces more than 300 standard types of V-shaped belts, variator belts, fan belts, multi-loop belts, the product range constantly expanding. Production of building materials is one of the priority areas of УЗЭМИК's manufacturing activities. These include rubber seals, which are fabricated using high-precision German equipment, meeting the requirements of international standards and employing latest technologies. Formed to shape washers are fabricated on the RoboFill electric erosion machine, which allows manufacturing complicated shape items. The up-to-date tools bring the quality of rubber items up to the requirements of international standards, and the instrumentation enables one to monitor the geometric dimensions of the seals. The plant can fabricate specific items to customer-supplied drawings. Professionals highly appreciate the Elon polymer roofing and waterproof material. Its advantages are many and include easy deployment, safety in operation, and repairability under sub-zero temperatures. Elon is perfect for roofs in chemically and biologically aggressive environments. It is indispensable for the areas with intense ultraviolet radiation and vast temperature changes, such as Siberia and the Arctic region. The glue mixing shop produces more than 200 varieties of glues for various applications, sealing compounds for radio engineering, and mastics for roofing materials. The glue mixing complex is equipped with programmed control. This practically makes the production process unattended. Glues are packed in containers of various capacities for convenience of end users. The osmol composition, made on the basis of bitumen residues of oil refining, is designed for anti-corrosive insulation coating of metal structures and pipelines. The plant is a major manufacturer of rubberized fabric materials. Depending on the purpose, the fabric polymer coating is resistive to the action of light, weather conditions, and aggressive media. Another area of УЗЭМИК's business is manufacturing materials for medical applications and hygiene, technical and protective fabrics. On the basis of synthetic and cotton textiles, they make light and strong fabrics for emergency life-saving, for rapidly erected pneumatic frame structures, for overalls of oil workers, fishermen, and coal miners. One of the recent developments of УЗЭМИК is the fabric with fluorine-containing rubber-based coating. It has a high resistance to concentrated acids and alkalis, thus being suitable to work within the temperature range between -40 degrees C and +200 degrees C. УЗЭМИК Open Joint Stock Company is a unique manufacturer in the CIS countries of rubber fabric materials for printing. Today, the plant offers an extensive range of rubber fabric blankets, timpan, and sub-timpan packing materials of different applications. The blankets that are produced ensure smooth and polished printing surfaces. The special focus is made on the RUS multi-purpose compressed rubber fabric blankets. They are used in roll and sheet offset machines for printing polychromatic products on any type of paper and cardboard. The specifications of RUS blankets are not inferior to those of imported similar items. They are suitable for using in modern high-speed printing machines, ensuring premium printing quality, both in full color and black and white. The plant manufactures specific rubber items for all branches of industry. The preparatory shop produces nearly 300 varieties of rubber blends that can withstand acids and alkalis, oil and gasoline, high and low temperatures. The whole range of consumer goods and component parts is offered through the company's distribution system in the Resinotechnica trade house. The goods bearing the company's logo are well known and in demand not only in Russia. More than 60 countries currently buy УЗЭМИК's products. This testifies to the plant's international standing. Today, the УЗЭМИК trademark is a symbol of perfect quality of products, state-of-the-art technologies, and a comprehensive range of fabricated goods.